And if you're looking to learn the profitable forex strategy live, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. Also, we're not financial advisors, so any risk that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Okay, I hope you guys are doing well. What's up, Mohan? How's it going, buddy? I hope you guys are doing well. All right, and I'm going to start to share my charts. Give me a quick second. I just want to make sure everything is good to go. Okay, zoom. Sorry, guys. Hologram, hello, 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 hello. Notification went off. Okay. Cool. Alright, so I'm gonna start to share my screen with y'all. I'm just gonna put it up on Discord anyway, because I'm guessing there's something up with the notifications. They usually never happen for London, but you know, it's they're a little spazzy that way. Okay, let me just put it up on the server. Okay, done. Good to go. Alright, so this is what we're looking at right now, okay? We have the dirty sitting right over here. As y'all can see, my one-on-ones, y'all should be seeing some potential patterns that this market is currently trying to form, okay? Just with that being said, we have some short-term supply that's going to be kicking in most likely in this region, so we're just going to mark it up as supply, and okay, so we've got some short-term supply that's going to be coming in here. Let's see if price wants to come back down, or if price wants to start making a move to the upside. Okay, and as you all can see on Nasdaq, we've got a nice steep uptrend. One of two things: either we come back down, retest, and make the move to the downside. That's one possibility, or pick up some support and some buys and start longing into supply. Okay, so we're going to have to see how that wants to play out, but just like we have some short-term supply over here, I'm not going to draw the box out, but I want you guys to know, my one-on-ones, y'all especially, that we do have some short-term supply that's being built currently in this region as well. Okay, let's look at gold. Okay, so building into some demand over here, naturally building into some supply over here. I personally would be more keen on the shorts. This would be the breaker structure short position, but I wouldn't mind starting from somewhere here. Okay, but let's just leave this down here for now, and let's see how that wants to play out, and where the long position is going to be, naturally above the highs. So about 1911. Okay, so those are the buys and the sells. Okay, looks good. Ugh, the RSI is not here. Give me a quick second, guys. Okay. Let's wait and watch, okay? We have about 9 minutes to market open. So let's see the kind of moves that these markets want to give us. Buys up here. A lot of you end up asking me, where should my stop loss be? Listen, I can't give you guys your stop losses, because your stop losses depend on your money management. Okay, what I can do is I can give you a stop loss based off of structure, right? So if you're getting in on these buys over here, where should your stop loss be? Your stop loss should be around about in this zone. Alright, 12 people on YouTube. What's up, guys? How's it going? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to Forex Trading. We're scalpers, we're price action traders. We scalp the Forex markets, the indices, commodities, some gold, and yeah, we just have a good time. Alright, so if you're new on YouTube and you enjoy what we're doing, look at the link in the description. You will get the link to our Forex server. It's absolutely free. Hop on from YouTube and jump on to our private Zoom call that's happening simultaneously right now. Okay? You won't experience the lag that you normally will on YouTube because of the latency issues. Okay, US 30. Can we short this market? Yes, we can. Alright, I have no reason as to why we can't. But if you're going to be looking for your bigger break, that's what you're looking for. You're looking for that break of the supply zone up there and potentially up to your 5 minutes, and then even maybe your bigger supply sitting there. Okay, so I personally am not going to get in on this, but for the ones that want to, risky trade, but this is the scalp that you'd be looking for. Okay, Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq's pretty straightforward. Long positions up above there. Okay, zone to zone, and short positions like I drew it out and showed it to you guys. And that's the trend line. The short positions we'd be looking to come down, retest, reject, retest, reject, and maybe push. Okay, so that being said, I wouldn't mind that as the shots on Nasdaq. Again, zone to zone. Okay, so these are the opportunities. There you go. Gold's having that push. I may start to look for something like this in case we start to get rejected from the supply over here. Okay, so I'm just going to have this here for now. And let's see what they want to do. Okay, I'm going to quickly open up the chat. Chirag Mathukia. Hello, buddy. Hi, buddy. How's it going? Okay, Zoom. What's up, people? How y'all doing? Hi, Susie. Hi, Baha. Muhammad. What's up, my man? Kyle. Zero. Sampath. Susie, looking forward to our next meeting. Having difficulties to know where to draw the time frame. You guys see notification went off. Awesome. Okay, I think our one-on-one is fast approaching, isn't it, Susie? Okay, look at that. Impulse on gold. Okay, hi Sohail, DeepMind, what's up, my man? Bharat, Ben Kingsley, Dan, Will, Shitij, Benny Rogers. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Okay, so push on the dirty. Push on gold. I'm not in on anything. I'm going to wait for price to close. Okay? I'm going to wait for price to close and give us a sort of definitive move. But if you guys are in on the impulse, wait for the retest rejection. Okay? Where could the retest happen? The retest could happen here. It could even happen in this region. Okay? Where my cursor is. And if we start to see a rejection from there, I may get in for the wick fill. Because why not? Okay? Alright. No retest. No retest. But they're pushing. Okay? Anyone in on gold right now? Looks like you guys are going to go and hit TP. I'm going to wait for the next 4 minutes before I get into any sort of trades. Alright, let's take a look at Forex RSI values. Okay, so gold is currently overbought on the RD, and it's looking good, man. The buys are starting to look good to me. Okay, we could be going to test that region out for gold, which is why these buys are looking good for now. But again, if you missed it, you missed it. All right, I'm not in on it myself. It is what it is. Okay, and Nasdaq and US 30 aren't really showing us too much at all. Let's wait and watch. Yes. Yes, Kyle. Okay. Did you guys have a good London session? I was seeing the charts today before I started, and bloody hell, man, did it look good or what? Nice smooth session. Looked really good. I hope you guys made your pips, even though a lot of y'all are lazy and don't post success stories. But I hope you'll at least made your money, okay? London was great. Awesome. I shared it on my IG. I saw that, Ben Kingsley. Thank you. I appreciate it. Keep sharing our stuff, okay? Okay. Um, I'm not in on gold. I'm really not. I'm gonna wait and watch. Um, I want to see what these markets end up doing. Okay. We still haven't broken these highs on the RSI, so I'm gonna watch. Okay, I don't have to rush into anything. Where did we pick up support from? Right from that goddamn um, 9 EMA. Okay, now they're pushing. We still have 2.5 minutes to go. If any of y'all are in, liquidate your position. Okay. Oops. Sorry. No worries. Sorry, Chirag. Sorry, everyone. I was on mute. But my bad. Like I was saying, we're currently. So what do we do on gold? We basically just got support from the 9 EMA and we started to push higher. Okay, we had an impulse, we had a continuation, and the move is still happening. I personally am not in on this because we're too close to market open. If you guys don't feel comfortable, y'all don't need to be getting in on this as well. Wait for the first candle, guys. Wait for the first candle. Okay, but gold hits TP. Where's the next level on gold that we could possibly go to? Right around here. Okay, so if the momentum persists, that's the next stop on gold. All right, but I love how the Scalper Pro would have given you guys a quick little scalp over here. Liquidate your position. All right, we've hit TP on gold already. Wait for price to do its thing now. All right, so we've got a minute and a half to go for market open. Let's have a good one. Please don't be using your stupid lots, guys. I mean it. These are extremely volatile markets in extremely volatile times. So please, risk management is everything in this game that we call trading. Okay, so manage your risk and remember, making money is not what's primary in these markets. What's primary is protecting your already existing capital. Okay, so as many times as you can, constantly try putting yourself in risk-free positions. Make sure you guys are not over leveraging your accounts. Use trailing stop losses, use break-even stop losses. Constantly put yourself in risk-free positions, okay? Because these markets are not in our control, but what is in our control is our own account. Okay, guys? Okay, market open in the next about 30 seconds. Let's have a good one. This looks good to me, I'm not gonna lie, but so does NASDAQ. Let's see. Okay, 20 seconds to go. I have some orders that are set up and ready for both NASDAQ and US 30, okay? And gold, I'm gonna try and look for those retracements. I don't like the buys. This is market open, you guys. Let's have a good one. Okay. Drop, pop, and I am running on US 30. I just got triggered on the dirty. All right, and small position, nothing too big. I did get triggered in and around that region. It's only a small position. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have my stop loss somewhere down here. All right, and if it wants to reverse on me, we'll start looking for the sells. Okay, but for now, let's see what price wants to do. Okay, US 30's pushing. Look at that. Look at that. They're trying, all right? We need the momentum to close down. There you go. Boom. All right, who's catching that with me? Zoom, best believe y'all know what I've done. I'm not going to say it for YouTube. I'm going to mute YouTube in a second. Give me... Okay, I'm running big time on the US 30. I'm running about 18 to... There you go. Boom. Who's catching the dirty with me? Who's catching that? I'm going to liquidate my position, and I'm just going to mute myself on YouTube and be back. Okay, Zoom. I don't know how many of y'all caught that impulse with me. I had a nice little order that was sitting right over here. All right, I pulled out my order right over here. Okay, so y'all can calculate the number of pips. 58 to 85, about 25 pips. And I caught it with a beautiful $300 a pip. Okay, just that's for you guys on Zoom. I'm gonna go back to YouTube and yeah, do my thing. All right. I hope you guys caught that. Liquidate these positions. Wait for price to come back down now because that was only a liquidity grab. Now this is the good thing about being a retail trader. All right. My bad about being a technical trader. The good thing about being a technical trader is we're ready for buys and sells. All right, we're not just gambling these markets. We know when to get in, we know when to get out, and because of that, we're able to even bank on these impulses. Okay, so back to YouTube. All right, sorry YouTube. Let's see, nice little rejection on gold. Okay, so did anyone end up buying the rejection on gold? Because if you all bought this rejection on gold, you should be running by about 15 pips now. Remove your spreads 10 pips. If you're in over here, change this to a break-even stop loss. Try to catch that that zone fill. Okay, how many of you guys got that with me on Zoom? How many of y'all? Nihir Vasoya, no voice. Well, I had muted myself because I was talking to our private Zoom members. But yeah, if you want to join that, go ahead, click the link in the description. It's absolutely free. Hop on to our Discord server and jump into Zoom. Okay. Waiting for the next 13 minutes for the red folders. Good job. Good job. Sounds like a good plan. Okay. Now, I'm not going to get into anything too big. Y'all know that I've made my money for the day. I'm just going to probably trade small feelers and maybe a Corolla position here and there. But now I'm going to wait closer to news. Okay. If we happen to close here, what would be a good entry, guys? That. Okay. So let's wait and watch. Did gold do anything? Still trying, man. Anyone in on gold, guys? Anyone catching gold? Because we're soaring and we're gonna go and try to hit TP. Made $100 on gold. Awesome. I have trust issues with gold. I'm in gold, buddy. Okay, be careful. Liquidate your positions, okay? Alright, now look at the dirty. Now the dirty is starting to come back down. Wait for this candle to close in the next 1 minute. Okay, let's see if they want to close within our box or if they want to be choppy. Okay, but if we close here, be ready for a quick retest, rejection, and a push. Okay, got 14 pips on gold. Awesome, uncle. Congratulations, my man. Good for you. Good for you. Come on, I think we have the volume to hit TP on gold, but what I do know is now we're building in some supply up in this region. Okay, 1913 approximately. That's where the supply is kicking in. 12 seconds to go. Let's see if they want to close. Nasdaq looks like it wants to close. Oh, there you go. They did us dirty, all right? They closed within the same zone, and look at those wicks. We break that high, y'all know we're pushing up to the 4H, okay? Okay, see what I mean? Supply. We didn't break that high, got rejected, and now we potentially could be coming back down. All right, is anyone in any sort of trades right now? Anyone at all? I'm in gold. Good. Be careful with gold, okay? This move could be done. This was a nice 35 pip move. And listen, guys, we're scalpers, okay? We don't need any more than 10, 15, 20 pips. I'm not even kidding. It's all on your risk management, guys. Okay, so if you want to leave partials or your smaller positions running, that's a whole different story altogether. But yeah. Explain the setup on gold. Well, it's pretty straightforward, all right? when we were down here, one of two things would have happened. Either we would push back down, make a nice little double top, or push back up, zone will fill, come back down, do something like this. Overall analysis definitely bearish, but yeah, we're basically trading within the technical patterns as we speak, which is why these highs are short-term buys and nice 35 pip move that kicked in. 20 pips on gold, awesome. Okay, Nasty looks good. I'm not gonna lie, Nasty looks good, but I just want to see how news is gonna play out, guys, because we don't have the volume so far. Buys or sells on news, buddy, we don't trade like that. We're not a buy or sell channel, okay? Um, we mark our zones up, we wait for price to give us confirmation, we then get in. We're not here to predict these markets because that's not in our control. Leaving my feeler on gold, good, with a break-even stop loss. Okay, I'm gonna have the DXY side by side with gold, and let's do a quick analysis on the DXY as well. Okay. Okay. All right, so the DXY is coming into some support here, resistance there, resistance here, supply there, demand here, and 5-minute resistance here. Okay. So now maybe, again, this is a big maybe, we see something like that with a pop and a drop to the downside, right? And if that happens, we could potentially look at the continuation on gold. Okay, but we've got to see how it plays out. Okay, Dirty is attempting again. I'm not getting in on this again, guys. I'm gonna wait. Even if I don't take a trade, I'm fine. I'm happy. Not stressing about it today. Long wick on Nasty, so not sure. Yeah, yeah. This Nasty could do either or, straight up. Nasty could sell as well. And my suggestion, just let it close in the box, guys. Let it close in the box, okay? You'll have no reason to be trading till it doesn't close in the box unless you're an expert, advanced trader. Okay. So technically nothing closed in our box yet, all right? And this is the power of what we do. Um, we get done before um, before the markets even have their big moves. TXY and gold have any relation? Yeah, they're mostly inverse. Okay, 5 more minutes to go. 5 more minutes to go. Guys, listen, if you're in any trades, liquidate your positions, okay? I'm not saying that the news is going to be crazy, but it just could. Okay, so liquidate your positions. Like I kept saying, make sure you're in break-even positions and take most of your profits. Okay. All right. The next 4 minutes are going to be the wait game. Okay, 3 more minutes, guys. Listen, it could be super choppy. Excuse me, because we have news, and then 15 minutes after that we have more red folders, so it can be choppy. All right, don't expect it to give you a straight clean move, um, and wait for confirmation. Okay. Okay, short-term demand being built on Nasdaq here. All right, so I'm gonna have an order set up for Nasdaq in case it wants to give me the move. Yeah, it does. Nasdaq looks good to me. So does US 30. I'm not gonna lie. US 30 looks very nice as well. They all look good right now, but it's just that we need the volume to really kick in order to get that the push that we're looking for. Okay, demand that's being built on gold down here. Let's see, you guys. Let's watch. Okay, 3 minutes to news. Guys, please stop annotating on my screen. Okay. I should just leave it on here, shouldn't I? Literally. Let everyone get bothered by it except myself, right? Okay. Okay, so US 30 is getting held at the 200. Let's see, you guys. Let's see if we have the momentum to break past that 200 over here. Okay. Okay, boom. We have those highs that we could break past. Let's see, it's starting to look good. Okay. I'm in on a small position, you guys. One more small position on the dirty for me. Alright, right there. And I have an order that's set up on the break of this region. Alright, if I want to get triggered. I'm going to set this up at break even right now because I don't want to lose money. Alright, even though it's a small feeler, it is what it is. Okay, so again, like I said, that's my entry for the feeler. Gonna have my stop loss at about this region. So that's about a 30 pip stop loss on $1 a pip for me, okay? I want us to close above that 200, man. Let's close above that EMA and let's all print some goddamn money. Alright, but it doesn't look like they want to do it. Okay, and I have a sell order that's sitting down here. Okay. Alright, looks like the buys are kicking in. Okay, negative news. Negative news. It seems like they're trying. I'd like to now switch this up to demand because that's what it is. Okay, come on. US 30, let's break. Oof, okay, look at gold. Anyone trading gold right now? Anyone trading those highs on gold? We dropped and it's looking good. It's looking good, alright? We're still dropping. You remember what I told you guys about this, right? We test this area out, we break down lower, and we could potentially even push higher on gold, okay? We hit TP on the dirty. Anyone catch that with me? My order got triggered. And anyone in with me? This could still go either way, alright? I'm still in a small position. Like I said, I'm not getting in on a bigger position because I've already made my money for today, okay? So I'm only in with $5 a pip, and y'all know where my stop loss is going to be. And I want to see if this candle closes. Alright, solid rejection from our 5-minute resistance. So this was a zone to zone trade. but we still have to see in the next 3.5 minutes if we want to close up above our EMA. Okay, because as you guys know, the EMA acts as a live band of support and resistance. Okay, so nothing got triggered on Nasdaq for me, guys. Beautiful push on Nasdaq. None of the cells got triggered, so I'm not even looking at Nasdaq right now. And gold's doing its thing as well. Okay, gold's pushing. Got in and out quick W. Awesome. Okay, I don't like the wickiness. Oh wow. Okay, look at Nasdaq. Who's in on Nasdaq right now? Come on. Please tell me someone's in on Nasdaq. We beautifully. Alright, so I want to break down what happened over here. Okay? Everyone, one-on-ones, people on YouTube, check this out. This is what we always talk about, and Nasdaq is the perfect 4x move. Okay? You have the impulse, which is right here. The impulse closed in our box. As you can see, there was an attempt over here, there was an attempt over here, but they never closed in our box. That last candle, wow, look at Nasdaq. I want to know how many of you guys are banking on this right now. Okay, so what do? We pushed up above, we closed in our box, we then retested, as you guys can see, beautiful retest to our entry point, and we pushed to the upside. Okay, so even if you use the 4x strategy, you guys should now be running for at least 40 pips and counting. All right, I want to see W's in the chat. I want to see how many of you guys caught that. Come on. Beautiful, classic move, classic 4x move. And look at gold. We're freaking flying on gold, man. Intense, intense. What a day. Everything is playing out. The one that I wanted to actually play out is the choppiest of them all. But beautiful. Armand, my man, how's it going? What's up, brother? How are you doing? Love your voice. Thank you. You must be listening to a lot of it, man. Arman's our editor, guys, one of our editors. And yeah, you must be hearing a lot of my voice anyway, but I appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much. Okay, still waiting to close up there, guys. Still waiting to close up there. Gold's just flying, man. And the dollar's dropping. The dollar's dropping, okay? So let's see what these markets still have in store for us. Okay, I'm still liking the dirty. I still have this going on. Let's see if we want to close up above there, and let's see if we want to still get the push. Okay, but listen, guys, straight up, all right? If we don't close above that 200, this is going to start to push down. Okay, we could get the wick fill, no problem, but forget us breaking those highs if we don't close above the 200. All right, so let's try to close there. It doesn't seem like they want to do it. Screw it. You know what? I'm gonna have a tighter stop loss for this because I'm not interested in getting caught in this chop. All right, this was the move. I missed it, on me. If you guys caught it, good for you. If y'all didn't, it's all good. There's always gonna be another opportunity. There's always gonna be another day. All right, let's see the W's. How many of you guys caught it? Damien caught it, V caught it, JJ caught it. JJ made 1.5% on Nasty. I freaking love that, man. Good on you, good on you. Stop trading, okay? 1.5%, beautiful. Yep, it kind of lifts me up when Cram hits TP. That's like bliss, energy. It's Max. Thank you, Armand. Thank you so much, bro. Appreciate you. Thank you. Okay. We've still got that going, all right? I'm still in on this. This could have been another entry for you guys, because now we've successfully turned this. We've successfully turned the supply into demand. So if we had the retest into demand, what do we do from demand, guys? We picked up buyers. Okay, so if you got in at that retest, you're still up by about 14, 15 pips. Okay, what just happened? All right. Okay, there you go. My trading view just got a little weird on me. Can't find Zoom link. Where is it on Discord? Streamers Live. You'll find it in the channel Streamers Live. Watching from the sidelines now. Made my sexy amount today. Love it. W0 missed Nasdaq. I made 78% on gold. Wow. Okay. I bought 50 lot. Love you, bro. Okay. That's crazy. And you made 68K today because of me. That's great, man. I think what you can do for me is go ahead and post that on Success Stories. Okay. Put a picture, post it on Success Stories, and let people know what you made with my analysis today. I would appreciate that. That's insane, man. We have people that are making fucking 70 grand on these sessions with us. That's unreal. I'm not even kidding. We've come a long way, haven't we? We started off with 5 people on the stream. We're now touching the hundreds, and we have people making 70K with us, man. That's intense. That's intense. Um, Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. Um, if one of our mods are on the chat, somebody on the general chat is asking for the link. If you guys could just tag the streamers live channel, please. Thank you. Are you buying Cram a custom Barbie pig BMW M5 for that W? I love it. Just make sure it's not the animation and it's actually Margot Robbie though. If he says I would appreciate you, Praveen. Thank you. Okay, guys, listen. I'm gonna end it on YouTube, and I'm gonna be back for you guys Zoom. We'll discuss what the possibilities are moving forward. Okay, so YouTube, thank you guys so much. We had quite a few people that hopped on today. I really appreciate you guys. And like I always say, um, hop on. All right, we're out here. We're building our army of millionaires. We are here to take over the world, and trust me when I say this, in the next couple of weeks, in the next couple of months, you guys are going to be hearing the name Forex Trading everywhere. Okay, so YouTube, you guys go ahead and click the link in the description. Join our Forex server. It's absolutely free, and yeah, just hop on to what we're doing. All right, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys, YouTube. We'll catch you guys tomorrow for London and New York. Signing out. Peace. I'm Kram, and my partner is Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Take care, YouTube. See you all tomorrow. Bye. Okay, YouTube's out of the way. YouTube's out of the way. What a day, man. These days, listen, I've been telling everyone on the one-on-ones as well that, guys, this is the golden time to be trading right now. From now till the end of November is gonna be beautiful. I'm not even kidding. It's gonna be freaking. This is the best time in the year for Forex traders. Okay, so we want to be able to capitalize as much, which also means the moves are going to be bigger, guys. So if the moves are going to be bigger, y'all need to be risking lesser, right? Because if the candles are that big, y'all don't still need to risk how much y'all normally risk because the moves are bigger. You guys get what I mean? So these markets, guys, they change like the seasons. Literally, every quarter is different, and you want to be able to adapt and be versatile enough to understand that. Because if you're going to be using the same sort of money management through and through the year, I promise you guys, you're going to make money, but you're going to lose even more money. Be versatile. Realize that every setup is different. Realize that all of these trades are going to be different. The volume and the liquidity in the markets are going to be different. I need you guys to realize that, okay? So it's a solid day. Let's see what the possibilities are. Okay, this played out beautifully with regards to the DXY. No complaints over there. Listen, this market can still push up, okay? Absolutely it can, but you guys know the way I trade, okay? I don't like buying the top unless I have a good number of confluences. All right, so let me get out the Scalper Pro real quick. Give me a second. Okay, let's take a look at the higher time frames and what they're telling us on gold. The trading view is being freaking weird. Okay, look at that. Gold's overbought all across the board. All right, overbought on the 5, 15, the hourly, the 4H, and the daily is trying to cross the 50, moving upwards. Okay, so can this still push up? 100%. Would I be comfortable getting in on these buys? Absolutely not. Okay, because traders usually use the RSI, guys, for what? They use it to spot overbought and oversold levels, yes, but they also use it to spot potential divergences that could kick into these markets. And not everyone's a scalper like us, right? So what traders normally do is when we're up in this OB region or this overbought region, they're looking for trend reversals. Okay, so this move and us getting into that overbought region, the move is already done because this would have been a beautiful entry point, break, and a push. What are the possibilities that could come in on gold now? Let's talk about it, right? Possibility number one is something like that, right? Possibility number two is something like that. Possibility number three is something like that as well, right? So we could still push higher, but pushing higher may not be the way you guys want to sort of be getting in, at least at this given time. Okay, now when could the buys still be good? Yes, dirty's looking nice, dirty's looking nice. And you know what's funny with the dirty, guys? We still haven't even closed in our box. I want you all to realize that. So all of these are non-confirmed moves, no confirmation. We're literally still waiting for confirmation. Nasdaq was the move today, man. I wish I would have taken Nasdaq rather than the dirty, but listen, I'm not complaining. I made my money. I've hit my profit target for the day, and I am not going to cry about it like a baby. Okay, it's beautiful, yeah. Okay, so the buys, let's see. Bro, I'm losing a lot on gold. I just shifted on US 30. That's why you're losing, because you're hopping from one to the other. Concentrate on one. Okay, and great. So when can gold continue to push? If we start going to the 51 region. So we're now going to test out the 50 midpoint, right? So you see this midpoint on gold, we're basically testing that out on the daily. Let me show it to you guys real quick. Okay. You see this? Now that's why we have the Forex Scalper Pro, right? It's not a magic indicator that tells us when to buy and sell like some of these other freaking streamers and groups that you have, and that shit don't work. But this is it just helps us because we don't have to switch in between the charts. Okay, that's all that it is. I swear, it's nothing more than that. Okay, but we're at 48.49. If we happen to break the 50, we then have potential to push and test out the 70, right? But the other possibility is we get rejected from the 50 and we start pushing oversold because we haven't been oversold as yet. So this area is going to be crucial for gold. Me personally, I wouldn't be getting in on gold right now, not till I see some more confirmation. Okay, I would like to get in on the sells. If the sells want to kick in, the sells are going to be right about in this region. So just keep trailing it up, right? Just keep changing your level of support and resistance as and when they play out, and have the latest level of support as your entry. Okay. All right. Now on Nasdaq, what could we do? We could close up above here. It would be nice if we get, you guys remember the trampoline effect I keep talking about, right? If we get a red candle and then a rejection from here, yummy. All right, I'd love that. But because there's no rejection, I'm not gonna be in on this. Okay, now look at what freaking dirty did again. I don't like this. It's super choppy. Again, they didn't close. So we just had the new home sales that came out. High impact news, positive news. Okay, is it having an effect on gold? Okay, Nasty is having the retest. Let's see if they want to hold up over here. Okay, I wanted to test this region out, guys. I really wanted to test this region out. Yes, come on. Give us the trampoline. Let's do it. Yalla habibi. 31st August, I swear. It's all good, brother. Okay, we've got some 5-minute support here that we're holding. Again, only continued buys if we happen to break that 50. Okay. Again, decent retest. I would have liked the full retest, but it's decent. But all in all, beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day, all right? Even though the one I picked was choppy with these markets, they played out perfectly. Okay, now a couple of things, guys. I want y'all to be posting up on success stories. I've been seeing a decline in the posts, and what's messed up is I'm seeing the number of people on the Zooms rise, and I'm on the Zoom calls rise, and I'm seeing people not post up success stories. Listen, even if you guys are not trading with us right now, Cash and myself, we strive to give you guys education and value when it comes to these markets. We genuinely strive to do that. That's our goal, that's our aim, that's our mission. Okay? It's not to show you guys that, oh, we've made this much and oh, we've made that much. We're very private people. You guys don't know where we stay, y'all don't know what we drive, y'all don't know what we own, y'all don't know anything because we're extremely private people. That's the way we are. Okay? So we just want to be able to give you guys something, the same thing that changed our lives, and we're here teaching you guys that. You remember what I told y'all? Did anyone catch that? Because if you caught that, look at that. Beautiful. Also, guys, I just want to put it out there. I'm going to patent this shit in the short term, but the trampoline effect is something that we have created, all right? This doesn't exist in any textbook. This doesn't exist with any other streamer, all right? But that, the trampoline effect, if you would have got in right there, you're looking at least a 10 pip pop and maybe even a 20 pip. All right, is anyone catching that beautifully? Anyone at all? Because you guys should fucking be running, man. Who's giving you this stuff for free? I don't get it. I don't get it. We're still pushing. Beautiful re-entry on Nasdaq. And please liquidate your profits, okay? Because if you guys caught the area I told you all to catch, y'all would have already made 25 pips, okay? Get out. Get out of it. All right, take your money. Great way to close the session. All right, guys, listen, please go ahead and post up on success stories. Like I keep saying, a little appreciation goes a long, 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 long way. Okay, so go ahead, post up, show us the love that we give you guys, reciprocate, and you guys will see that y'all will grow with us. I promise y'all. Okay, don't just lurk around. Cash and I were practically talking the whole time on these streams. It's not easy to do. We've been doing this for a year at a stretch, and I think asking for success stories is the least that we can do, and most importantly, it's the least that you guys can do for us. Okay, look at US 30. Look at US 30. 1 second. Is my US 30 position is still open? Okay, small position, but it's still open. Alright, so post up for the one-on-ones, guys. I do have some slots. We had about a lot of people that message us, guys. It's a little annoying when you guys ask us to send y'all booking messages and then y'all leave us hanging. You'll need to understand that we run a system over here, okay? And we're not sitting jobless. We actually don't have any time in the day, but we're running a business over here, okay? If you guys are not interested in it, it's fine. No one's putting a gun to your head and telling you to get on, but don't waste our time. Don't keep us hanging. Let that spot go so the next person waiting can catch it. Only and only message if you guys are serious about hopping onto the one-on-ones. We'll send you the information, no problem, but tell us, have the courtesy, the common courtesy to tell us that Cram, Cash, not a good fit right now, and I'll let you know if I want it. That's it. But don't say that, yes, we're ready, yes, send me the booking message, yes, this is the payment method, and then we send you the booking message and then you guys disappear. That's just disrespectful, and it's a waste of our time, and trust me, time is money, okay? No kidding. Every minute, we try to be productive. Every minute, we try to do something, okay? So time is money, and time is the most valuable thing that exists, right? And we're giving you guys our time, okay? So please, message if you guys are serious about it. Cash will hook you guys up, and yeah, great session all in all. I'm looking forward to those success stories. Boom, 1 second, look at that on US 30. Lovely, man, lovely. I'm gonna liquidate US 30 now as well. Liquidated, and I'm happy. Great. Now, as y'all can see, gold is starting to make that pushback down. Remember I was telling y'all about finding the most recent support for gold? So in case the sells on gold want to come, guys, y'all are looking at this now. Okay? This to this region as TP1, this region as TP2. Okay? And then you can wait for the retracement and sort of get back on it. Okay? So thank you guys so much. Today was an awesome session. I will see you guys for New York and London tomorrow. I'm pretty sure Cash has London as well. And I think tomorrow's Thursday, right? So we will be having jobless claims. So we'll be on an hour earlier than we were today. Okay, hop on. Let's make some money and let us close the week strong. Tomorrow is going to be my last private, my last stream for the week. All right, I'm not going to be live Friday, so make sure to hop on and let's make those pips. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I'm Kram, the partners Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading signing out. Make sure you guys are posting up. All right, don't freaking fade us. It's not cool. Make sure to post up and message for the one-on-ones. Take care, guys. Bye.